Jiangsu Yishan Special Equipment Co., Ltd., initiated and established by Xuanda Industrial Group, is a Hishtech enterprise special ISI in advanced manufacturing. The company focus is on the development, design, and manufacturing of equipment for sulfuric acid plants, petrochemicals, non-ferrous smelting, environmental protection, and heat recovery equipment, and pressure vessels, and is committed to providing customers with comprehensive and customized special equipment solutions. Yishan Special Equipment has established an excellent reputation in the industry thanks to its leading domestic technologies in alloy sulfuric acid coolers, evaporators, preheaters, alloy towers, diluters, separators, and wastewater MVR evaporation equipment. The company's project covers 38 mu, approximately 2.5 hectares of land. After reaching full production capacity, the project is expected to generate annual sales revenue of 250 million RMB, with estimated tax revenue of no less than 11.5 million RMB, striving to achieve 13 million RMB. The company currently has over 260 employees, of which more than 23%, over 60 are technical personnel, and approximately 200 are production workers. This highly skilled and efficient workforce provides a strong guarantee for the company's continuous innovation and development. As a technology-driven enterprise, Yishan Special Equipment consistently adheres to a market-oriented approach, continuously optimizing its product structure, and improving product quality and service levels, upholding the business philosophy of quality first, customer supreme. The company is committed to providing customers with safe, reliable, and efficient special equipment products and solutions, leveraging its professional, technical team and rich industry experience, and backed by the strong resources of Xuanda Industrial Group. Yishan Special Equipment, as a key strategic component in the special equipment field, is striving to become a mainstay in the industry. Yishan Special Equipment's products are widely used in chemical, petrochemical, metallurgical, and environmental protection industries, and their superior performance and reliable quality have won the trust and praise of a broad customer base. The company's products not only meet domestic market demands but are also gradually entering the international market, showcasing the strength and charm of Made in China. Looking to the future, Yishan Special Equipment will continue to increase investment in R&D, deepen technological innovation and product upgrades, and continuously enhance its core competitiveness. The company will adopt a more open attitude, actively participate in international cooperation, introduce and absorb advanced technologies, and continuously improve its technological level and manufacturing capabilities. Yishan Special Equipment is committed to becoming a trusted partner for its clients and contributing to the high-quality development of my country's equipment manufacturing industry. Yishan Special Equipment, named after a mountain, symbolizes stability, reliability, and a pursuit of excellence. With unwavering belief and relentless effort, the company will strive to reach new heights in the industry and daily move towards its goal of becoming a leading domestic and international ally. Reno 1 Special Equipment manufacturing enterprise